Let's try this. 0.17 times 0.4. First thing, we need to line up the numbers furthest on the right. Like that. Does that make sense? So far, are we okay? Okay, 4 times 7 is what? 28. Write your 8. Carry your 2. 4 times 1 is what? 4 plus 2 is? Okay, how many numbers are after the decimal in our original? 1, 2, 3, right? Start at the end, start at the back, come in 3. 1, 2, 3. What do you think we have to put in that empty spot?
0.
The answer to this one would be 0.068. How would we say that number? Think back to Thursday. How would we say that number? 68 what? Thousandths. Because the 8 is in the thousandth spot. This would be 68 thousandths.
So you put a 0 before the decimal?
You can, you don't have to. XYZ will accept either of those. You can have the 0 before the decimal, you don't have to. Questions on that one? Let's do another one. 2.6 times 0.3. I wrote it differently, but what does that still show? Multiplication. This one, it just so happened that the decimals lined up, right? It won't always happen, but it's okay if it does. What's 6 times 3? Write your 8, carry the 1. 3 times 2 is what?
6.
Plus 1 would be?
7.
Now what do I need to do?
Add a 0.
Well, what do I need to do? Count how many were after the decimal in the original. 1, 2. Start at the end, move my decimal. How many places? 1, 2, 0.78. Yes.
So when you're looking at the problem, you look at both numbers, top and bottom,
Yes.
after the decimal?
Yes.
All right.
You count all the numbers that were after the decimal in the original. Good question. Any other questions? I want to show you a trick. You will see these on your XYZ. You can line these ones up and only these this way. When it's like 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, a one with a bunch of zeros, line them up this way and bring down the zeros. Bring them straight down. What's 1 times 3? 3. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. How many decimals were in the original problem? How many after the decimal? 2. Move your decimal in 2 spaces. Your answer would be 1, 2, 3, 0. And you can put 0.0, but you don't have to. That's just a trick with those to save you some time.